Why do so many films include the line, "No animals were harmed in the making of this film"? The answer goes back to 1939. In early Hollywood, animals were often treated as expendable. Western films frequently used tripwires to force horses to fall during battle scenes. Many were injured, and some were killed. But during the filming of Jesse James in 1939, one stunt went too far. A horse was forced off a 70-meter cliff using a hidden sliding mechanism. The horse survived the fall, but was terrified and disoriented. Moments later, it drowned. When the incident became public, people were outraged. The backlash was immediate, and Hollywood was forced to respond. In 1940, the American Humane Association began monitoring the treatment of animals on film sets. From that point on, strict guidelines were introduced. Every scene involving animals had to be supervised and reviewed. Only then could a film earn the disclaimer, "No animals were harmed in the making of this film," because one tragic moment changed Hollywood forever.
Wind held its breath that day. Hooves on the edge of gray. No one heard the silent plea, just to fall into his story. Eyes full of fear, sky drawing near, the world looked away too long. You fell without a voice, you never had a choice. The earth watched you disappear into the sound of fear. No hero came to save, no gentle hands, just waves, and echoes still remain of innocence and pain. Dust settled, cameras rolled, another story sold. But somewhere in the deep, a frightened heart beat.